Hi everyone, welcome to the Empire Partner Foundation channel. My name is Jasmine Mokwena. I'm the Marketing and Hackathon Coordinator. You are watching our first interview for the Healthcare Hackathon. EPF makes hackathon history in hosting its first international hackathon, and we are very excited. We've had over 400 applications from youth across the world in the fields of marketing, finance, business, data science, data engineering, and software development. Today we are joined by a very special guest. His name is Jacob Rosenholm. He was our keynote speaker for the hackathon today. Jacob, pleasure to meet you again.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me here.
Excellent. So if you can just introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your background and tell us about your company for which you are a CEO, Thorndike and Ball.
Yes, sure. So I'm from Sweden, and I have a history in medicine. We studied medicine in Stockholm, and then I had a stint in the US as well for 5 years. And when I came back to Sweden, me and some of my colleagues, we co-founded Thorndike and Ball to be a sort of a parent company for different medical startups and so on. So that was the beginning, and this was back in 2015.
Oh, wow.
So we have multiple enterprises right now, but our main one is basically a chain of clinics where we are working with medical assessments for healthcare workers, for people in dangerous environments, and we've used that as a platform to progress further on as well.
That's amazing. Tell us, how did you started Thorndike and Ball in 2015? How did COVID-19 affect Thorndike and Ball, and how did you overcome that?
Yeah, I think it's been a great lesson for us, and I think it's a chance that many more people have experienced the last couple of years. But our business basically, we were on the verge of collapse after a couple of weeks of the COVID pandemic, because of course, as we everyone know, everything shut down. One of our biggest customers, our biggest clients, completely stopped everything, and we dropped almost 50% of our turnover in just a week. Like other people, we really had to pivot fast, and luckily I'm working with a group of fantastic people. So what happened was that by chance, since we had a lot of work with people in the healthcare sector, early on they needed help to assess and test people for COVID. And since we had the infrastructure already set up, we basically pivoted to that in a couple of days. So we started helping out with testing people in Sweden and helping companies and organizations to also sort of get COVID ready. And that's what we did at the beginning. And over 2 years of the pandemic, we have grown that, and luckily our core business has come back as well. So we've developed that, And so in the end, that's something I tried to touch on in my opening speech as well, is that you have to grab opportunities when they arrive, and you have to be very fast to pivot to something else. So that's what we're doing right now. We're back to our basic business, and also developing the new opportunities we had.
It's incredible what you're doing. What is your sort of current view on your current healthcare affairs and the challenges that we are trying to address with this hackathon?
Yeah, so I think it's what the last 2 years have shown us is that things can happen very, very fast. So problems can arise very fast, but also we can actually be much more agile in confronting problems as well. So hackathons, having people from different backgrounds, not only medical, not only tech, but really getting together fast and hitting on specific problems and working through that. That is going to be the way forward in the future. And I think we see that as well all over the world now, that tech in medicine, tech in other sustainable sort of sustainability problems are becoming more and more important.
Definitely. And I love that you touch on tech being important. Tell us a little bit more about why you think tech is such a valuable tool in combating issues.
Yeah, well, in a way, I think it's always down to cost. So everything has a cost to it, and it could be man hours, or it could be money, or it could be required infrastructure. And tech is, and especially when you start to bridge to different specialities and different sectors, what you can do is you can reduce cost, and that reducing cost increases speed, it increases effectivity, and it also I think that's the main thing.
No, I feel like you're right on target about that, and thank you so much for sort of sharing your time with us, flying all the way from Sweden to join us, and we are very happy to have you here, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your stay with us.
Oh, thank you so much, and the welcome here has been incredible, and I have to say that I think it's really a fantastic opportunity for me and for us, because meeting all these young people and seeing how they work and how they are collaborating and building trust as well, this is a fantastic fair for us. So we're so glad to be here, and thank you for taking the time.
Incredible, thank you for watching.